This video is for you guys. Because of you, we were able to hit 1 million subscribers. We promised you guys a video, and here it is. Let's get started. So in a previous video, we told you guys Mrs. Wizard was getting a kind of a gift, a celebration for 1 million subscribers. We'll get to that here in a minute, but before we dive into car things, no muffler Newton, thank you. Of course, in our 1 million subscriber video, we have no muffler Newton go by, thanks. Anyways, it's been 5.5 years, guys. It seems like maybe a couple to me. It's gone by pretty quick. Almost 750 videos. 743 to be exact. And to me, it feels like a couple hundred videos. And actually, Mrs. Wizard showed me the data, and I was like, 743 videos? Wow, that's a lot of videos. Can you imagine the tedious amount of work to just edit that many videos? Thanks to Mrs. Wizard for doing all that.
Thank you, Darren. Yes, I know. It does get kind of monotonous.
But the biggest thanks, of all the thanks, is to Tyler Hoover from Hoovies Garage. Because none of this would exist if he hadn't pushed me over the edge and said, Wizard, you've got to get into YouTube. You've got to do this. Because at first I really didn't want to do it. I thought, I got work to do. Why do I want a camera in my face? But after I kind of saw it helps you guys out, it gives you data, things you need, what's a good car, what's a bad car. Oh, and by the way, it does pay very well, thanks to you guys. But it's kind of a shared thing. You guys, anytime he's like, is this car good? Is that car good? I'll go check out the Wizard's channel and I'll get the answers I need. It's all there for you guys. Some of the ideas we had to celebrate the 1 million subscribers is actually doing a car giveaway. One of you lucky winners could win a free car. But I got to thinking about it, it's like, that's probably not very fair to the other 999,999 people. And also, knowing my luck, if it were me, I wouldn't win. I've never won anything. So that didn't seem like that would be very fair to you guys. There was also some talk about maybe me starting an OnlyFans page so you guys could see even more of the Car Wizard.
Wizard, you are not going to start an OnlyFans page.
No, there's no way. There's no way. In fact, I probably wouldn't even get any viewers. I get a lot of viewers, you guys, for cars, but probably wouldn't get very many for that. So
I'd watch you on OnlyFans, dear.
Thanks. I'd have 1 subscriber. That's great.
I had the perfect idea, and you guys have even mentioned it in the comments before. I think it's a time for the Wizard to have a bit of a trim.
No. This is my beard of knowledge. We don't cut it.
Beard of knowledge.
If you remove it, it might take brain cells away.
Brain cells away. I don't know about that, guys. Don't you think he needs a bit of a trim?
No. We're not doing that. That's part of my shtick. That's what I do. I'm the Car Wizard. I have a beard.
He's going to be like Bob Ross, guys. He's never going to get rid of that thing. I'm never going to see his chin again in my life.
No, never. I thought about giving a token of thanks to the 1 millionth subscriber, but we don't even have access to that data. I don't even know who the exact 1 millionth subscriber is. So that's really not an option. One thing I will do for you guys is I'll keep churning out the videos to give you information on you're walking into a dealership or a shop. What can you expect to pay for this job or that job to help you out not get scammed or ripped off? Also, if you're purchasing a car, what can you look for? What can you expect to pay? What kind of repairs can you expect on that car? All those things is definitely something I'll definitely be there for you guys on that. So now we're at the time where we reveal Mrs. Wizard's 1 million subscriber gift. But before we jump into that, make sure to head over to Mrs. Wizard's Ways, which is actually her channel. There's more in-depth data and things going on there, and actually a special episode on her channel for the 1 million subscriber celebration we have going on. The link is in the description below. You definitely want to check out Mrs. Wizard's Ways for those videos. So are you ready for your 1 million subscriber gift, Mrs. Wizard?
Well, since we're back here by the truck, I'm really nervous. You're not giving me that, are you?
No, not the truck. That's mine. That's going to be used to smoke cars.
Smoke cars?
Like this one. That's your
that one?
Yes.
The GT500?
It is. You remember you used to have a Mustang?
I did. I had an 06 Mustang. It was a quick little car.
It was a V6 version?
It was.
Now you have the most powerful version of that era of Mustang.
Nice. But dear, Isn't that Hoovies?
It was Hoovies.
It was Hoovies.
And it has 210,000 miles on it.
210,000 miles.
Yes.
I think that's more miles than all of our other cars put together.
So do you notice a lot of his cars are missing out of the shop?
They are. The shop is looking, you know, comfortably full now, not stuffed to the gills.
There was actually a point where he owed me almost $15,000.
Wow.
And he's going some rough times trying to get his shop going. And he was like, Wizard, this really hits me at a bad time. I said, I'll tell you what, I'll make all those go away, all the bills, and I take the keys to that, which now you will have.
Now I get the keys.
Yes. So he handed me the keys. I ripped up on his channel, you guys, if you go to Hoovies Garage, you'll see it. I tore up all the bills. They're gone now. I lost all that money, but I gained a really cool gift for you.
Wow. It's even got the clicker still.
So now you have a supercharged, over 500 horsepower. I think Hoovies said it dynoed at 597 or 579 or something at the wheels. So it's putting out probably 600 horsepower.
Good grief. That's a bit more than anything I've ever had before.
There's still some work to do on it, but it runs and drives great. You want to go check it out?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go ahead and get this going.
Sorry I can't have Mrs. Wizard in the shot with me, but she's the pro at the camera. I'm not really good at cameras. Imagine that. I'm a YouTuber and I really don't even know the first thing about operating a camera. Anyways, here it is, Mrs. Wizard. It's got some eye crusties or something here going on.
Something.
Yeah, it's just got some condensation in it. We can fix that. But it has the Cobra in the grill.
And I know how much you like snakes, so you won't be driving this.
No, I can't stand snakes. I'm one of those people that are terrified of snakes. So it's not arachnophobia, but it would be, I don't know what the scientific name for a snake is. Anyways, I have that. But on this side you can see it's not dented up. It has the stock wheels, which need to be refinished. We'll get that taken care of. But everything's in place. So many of these have been wrecked, especially just the GT Mustangs. This one's not been wrecked. It's lasted a long time, actually. Look at there, Mrs. Wizard. Shelby.
It is quite impressive. I really am excited to get this on the road.
It is a very fast car. It can get up to 100 miles an hour, and you didn't even feel like you got there yet, but it's already there. Very, very fast. Well, let's get under the hood. Most of these Mustangs came with either a 4-liter V6 or a 4.6 V8. But if you got the Shelby GT500, you got the 5.4 liter with a supercharger on it. Let's take a look.
Oh, good. It has a prop rod, so it won't have hood stretch to fail for you, dear.
That is a beefy, beefy engine. It really fills this engine bay completely. As you can see, it has a VMP supercharger, and it has a little bit smaller pulley on it. There's some tuning that's been done to this car. That's why it's 600 or more horsepower. But amazingly, with all the miles on it, we did have to do a water pump and a few small things, but it runs perfect. So along with the water pump, we did have to put a bearing in a pulley that's down there, and also a new 10-rib serpentine belt for the supercharger. It was squeaking and no longer squeaks, and a new belt there. And an oil change. That pretty much was it for the engine. One thing I'm going to get rid of, or try to anyway, is these garbage air filters. That no one ever services them. I'll see if I can get a paper version of that, and that should do the trick.
I was wondering if you were going to hate on that, dear.
Yeah. I mean, they're a good filter, but no one ever services them like they're supposed to be. I've yet to see one that's properly taken care of. But anyways, if you watched Hoovies Garage video when he first got this, we looked it over. It needs some sway bar links, it needs some control arms, it needs a differential support bearing and bushing. It needs a lot of little things because of the miles, but it's nothing major. It runs and drives very, very good. Why don't you check out the interior, Mrs. Wizard?
Ooh, I'm excited. So, welcome to my car, ladies and gents. And you can see there, 210,561 miles. Wow. I don't think I've owned a car with that many miles before, but this one is so awesome. I think I'll take it. Nice gauge cluster, lots of gauges there to keep us on the road, and well, maybe not on the road, who knows, but lots of lights just to show that they actually are working. Go ahead and turn that gauge off just to save my battery. As we move up, the dash is nicely leather wrapped, so very unlikely to have any cracks or problems there. As we move down, you'll see that we have kind of a nice, looks kind of steel, but it's kind of got a nice little bumpy texture to it. And it's got the classic circle vents. And I love these vents because they absolutely can go anywhere. They can close easily. They don't have any complicated, controls, just simple. As we move down, you'll see we've got very simple controls here as well. One thing it does have that is different than many of the other Mustangs of this era is it does have the upgraded Shaker 500 radio. So that is a definite bonus to the car. But otherwise, yeah, this is very much stock Ford controls in the car. This is what makes this car absolutely amazingly fun. Look at that 6-speed manual, which means that I'm going to be driving this a lot more than the Wizard because we know how much the Wizard loves, or does not love rather, a stick shift. As we move back, you'll see that we have nice cup holders, the big size and the little size, and we have this fun little button here. Let me go ahead and turn that key back on. If I push it, it changes the color of this area. Isn't that fun? So I think I'm going to get it back to blue because that's my favorite color after all. As we open up the center console area, oh look, Hoovie has left me a penny in there. I'm not sure how I'm going to get that out, but okay, maybe that'll be the lucky penny. Otherwise, it's pretty clean in there. As we move over, we do have leather seats that do have a Cobra embossed onto the leather, and it does have a little bit of bolster on the sides, nothing crazy, but it is very comfortable and quite adjustable in the different settings on the side. If we look at our door card, there's a lot of gray in here. It's all gray, 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 and more gray, but it's in good condition. There's a little bit of the leather there is starting to come off, and it is on the driver's side as well. So I might need to figure out a way to kind of maybe add some adhesive behind that. Being a Mustang, the back seat is, well, never used, just never used, because there is absolutely zero leg room. There we go. No leg room at all, unless you want the driver to not be able to, steer, or at least, well, use the clutch. You're just not going to be able to operate the pedals down below because you won't be able to move your knees. But got a hump in the center for our drive shaft because this is rear wheel drive. So this is a 4-seater if you can get them back there. Headliner, good shape for 210,000 miles. Looking good. Not too many marks up there. I can't see any actually. This is what makes this absolutely the most beautiful steering wheel ever. Look at that. Look at that beautiful Cobra on that steering wheel. So they have upgraded this from just the standard Mustang symbol. They've added the lovely Cobra snake with the Shelby GT500 verbiage on there as well. Nothing major, nothing terribly crazy, just some very simple little controls on our steering wheel. Nothing going on back on the backside, just very simple to understand. So, enough of this talk. Let's get that garage door opened over there and get this on the road. Okay, are we ready? I am. Let's go.
Did you hear the clunking, Mrs. Wizard?
I did, dear, I did.
That'll be fixed soon.
Thank you. You're so kind. And
yeah, it's fast.
And that was just second gear.
Yeah. We'll get out of town and get on it a little bit. We'll drive out to Mexico.
Drive up to Mexico.
Yeah. Drives good?
It does. It drives very well. Very simple. I kind of want to get out there and be able to go faster.
Probably the only GT500 with 210,000 miles on it.
I would think, and of course, Hoovie would have found it.
Yeah, of course.
Of course. Now we're in a kind of an area where the speed limit's a little more checked. We're getting up here where we can go a little bit faster, but there just happens to be a Charger just kind of coming up behind us. I think we're going to leave them behind.
supercharger whining.
And we're doing above the speed limit, ladies and gents, so we're going to slow down just a little bit. But the charger behind us is back there a little ways.
Got up there quick, didn't it?
It did. It's super fast. Okay, ladies and gents, here we go. We're about to get on the highway. So get off the sand. We'll have fun.
I'm not giving it enough gas. You can't even... There it is. You can hear the supercharger. Don't be afraid of it, Mrs. Wizard.
It's like my first time driving this, dear. Give the girl a second. And just like when we had the Beetle, you just kind of skip fifth gear. Sorry, fifth gear, I like you, but we're at cruising speed already.
Are you liking it so far?
It is super cool. It is a nice car. I miss that Mustang. That Mustang was fun.
You can outrun most of the cars on the road now.
I bet I could. I bet. This is the fastest car I think I've ever had. The last one I had with a supercharger was the 2001, wasn't it, dear? That Jaguar XJR?
Yeah.
Had 390 horsepower. That thing was fast.
Now you have over 590.
Yeah, that's a lot.
We'll head on back to the shop. You like your new gift?
It's fabulous, dear.
I thought you'd like it. All right, well, 1 million subscribers, guys. Mrs. Wizard's happy.
Yeah, I'm definitely happy. So, dear, you definitely have given me the gift that I didn't know I needed.
But now that you have it, you feel that you needed it.
I definitely needed this car. I needed some speed in life. The Z3 is fun and zippy around town, but this thing is, whoa.
This thing is super
insane.
fast. You guys know I have a 94 Dodge Viper RT10, and I am sure this car will easily outrun the Viper. So you have the fastest car now.
Oh, that seems appropriate, dear.
So anyways, thanks to you guys again for the 1 million subscriber milestone. Really do appreciate that. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. And I keep hitting this antenna. It's going to whack me in the face. But anyways, it's quite erect, Mrs. Wizard.
Dear, this is a family channel.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry, guys.
So again, thanks to you guys, and a special thanks to Tyler Hoover from Hoovies Garage for giving us the foot in the door to get us started on YouTube, and also thanks to Hoovie for the really sweet GT500. Now he doesn't have a $15,000 bill here at Omega. He's actually, his balance is zero.
Really?
He's paid.
That's great.
That's sad. I want more money.
Well, you know, he does have a slight problem. You know, it's called buying really bad cars.
Hoopties, yes. He's the Hoopty King. He really is.
I think he's got another one coming. That's just scarily bad.
It is. It is really bad.
I've heard I've heard it even smells.
I think it does. Check out Hoovies Garage if you want to see what the crazy buy he did and what he does with it. It's really insane. If you're curious what kind of tools we're going to use to work on Mrs. Wizard's new GT500, check our Amazon affiliates link in the description below. We get a small cut if you purchase anything. Really appreciate it. Again, head to Mrs. Wizard's Ways to get more of the scoop on Omega Auto Clinic and the Car Wizard channel.
I'm going to go over all the names, why we're all named what we are, and how we got them.
Yes, it'll be very interesting. You guys definitely want to click on the link below for that. And like you guys already have, which we're very thankful for, hit the subscribe button to this channel because it's only upwards and onwards from here. Yeah. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye. I think we should cut the wizard's beard.
No. No, we're not doing that. That's my beard of knowledge.
It could use some trimming.
But it might take brain cells with it.